Welcome! In this session, we'll cover the Flexera 1 ITAM integration with SCCM and how SCCM is leveraged as the inventory data source. This slide defines the purpose and scope of the SCCM integration with Flexera 1 ITAM. SCCM remains the primary source of endpoint inventory, while Flexera 1 uses that data for license compliance and optimization. Data is securely collected via Flexera Beacon without deploying agents on endpoints. The scope includes inventory normalization, license reconciliation, audit readiness, and key planning considerations such as site hierarchy, refresh cycles, and secure connectivity. This slide explains the role of the Flexera Beacon in SCCM-based inventory collection. The beacon acts as a secure bridge between on-premises SCCM systems and the Flexera 1 ITAM cloud. It collects hardware and software inventory from SCCM, then normalizes and validates the data before upload. All communication to Flexera 1 is outbound over HTTPS, supporting security, firewall compliance, and scalable, reliable operation across the environment. This slide shows the high-level data flow from SCCM to Flexera 1 ITAM. The process begins in SCCM, where hardware and software inventory is collected from managed endpoints and stored centrally in the SCCM SQL database. The Flexera beacon then securely connects to SCCM using read-only access to extract the required inventory data through the SCCM adapter. Once collected, the beacon normalizes the SCCM data into Flexera's standardized inventory schema, ensuring consistency and accuracy across all data sources. Finally, the normalized inventory data is transmitted to Flexera 1 ITAM over an encrypted HTTPS connection, where it is processed for inventory visibility, license reconciliation, compliance reporting, and audit readiness. In this section, we'll look at the inventory data collected and the business value it delivers, including how it supports compliance and optimization decisions. This slide provides an overview of the hardware and device inventory source from SCCM. SCCM supplies key device identifiers, enabling accurate endpoint tracking. It also captures operating system details required for compliance and reporting. From a hardware perspective, SCCM collects CPU, memory, disk, and chassis information to support licensing and optimization. The integration distinguishes between physical and virtual devices for virtualization-aware license management. This slide highlights the business benefits of reusing SCCM as the primary inventory source for Flexera 1 ITAM. By extending SCCM beyond endpoint management, customers maximize their existing investment and gain additional value through license compliance and optimization. The agentless integration simplifies deployment, reduces change management effort, and accelerates implementation timelines while meeting security requirements. Using SCCM also ensures broad and consistent Windows estate coverage, which is critical for accurate compliance calculations. Finally, integrating trusted SCCM data into Flexera 1 enables actionable insights that support software optimization and reduce audit risk. Next, we'll cover communication, security, and risk considerations. This slide outlines the ports, protocols, and secure communication paths used in the SCCM and Flexera 1 integration. The Flexera beacon connects to the SCCM SQL database over the standard SQL port to read inventory data using controlled, read-only access. Where required, supplementary access to SCCM systems uses standard Microsoft protocols such as WMI, RPC, and SMB for system and metadata collection. For cloud communication, all data is sent from the beacon to Flexera 1 ITAM over outbound HTTPS on port 443 using modern TLS encryption. This slide outlines the key planning and design considerations for customers integrating SCCM with Flexera 1 ITAM. A first step is confirming the SCCM architecture, including site hierarchy, primary sites, and SQL database location, to ensure the Flexera beacon is deployed correctly. From a security perspective, customers should provision read-only service accounts and engage security teams early for firewall and TLS validation. It's also important to align the inventory strategy, especially when multiple data sources are involved, to ensure accurate data precedence. A well-aligned inventory strategy and refresh cadence ensures data accuracy and operational stability. This concludes the Flexera 1 ITAM integration with SCCM.